So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the very important job opportunity from the Genpact, HCL Tech, Mastercard, Vodafone, and other important companies. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity from Genpacts. So they are hiring for the role of process associate, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Who is from the any background, and you should be graduate. So what are the experience they are requiring? That graduation in any discipline, prefer BTech or any other tech or non-tech degree with computer courses or certification or diploma. Means if you have done diploma or have BTech, then this will increase your chances. But still, if you are from other background like BCA, BCom, you are eligible for this. And process associate, Genpact, you know, a good MNC company, and I suggest everyone you should apply. So if you have some also experience in customer support, then this is a wonderful opportunity. And the basic thing they are requiring that. This is the typing speed and all those. So this is a non-tech profile, so if you are interested, then only you should apply. Moving to next important opportunity, that is Tech Mahindra, and this is a walk-in drive, and walk-in time is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and date is 6th. Okay, so tomorrow will be the walk-in drive. So those who are residing near a Pune location, then you can just share your resume to this mail ID, or you can contact the HR Smriti. So I will provide all the apply link in the description. Just make sure to connect with them. Moving to next important opportunity, and that is from the Vertiv. They are hiring for the role of graduate engineer training. So this is a freshers role, and these video responsibility will assist in preparing design layouts, conduct a technical analysis, and you can just go through complete job link in the description. So what are the qualification they are requiring? That you should have a bachelor's degree in electronics and telecom engineering. Minimum 7 CGP are requiring, and basics knowledge of electronics. So especially EC student, I will suggest must apply, and share these apply link with your friends too. Friends, recently TCS have declared the interview results. They have released the NQT results, and those candidates who have been selected for interview, first of all, congratulations to all of them. Now just one path away. So if you want to have a mock interview with us, you can schedule with us by filling the form. We'll provide you complete guidance, resume review that will basically increase your chances in the TCS selections. So all the best to the candidates, and if you need any free preparation material, just DM me, or you can go to our WhatsApp or Telegram group. You will get all those stuff. So best of luck to the candidates who have exam or interview for the. Moving to next important opportunity from the Vodafone, they are hiring for the role of network engineer senior executive Bangalore. So if you have some experience in networking, then this is a wonderful opportunity, and 2024 pass out can apply for this. Just go through complete job in the description what they are asking, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Okay, moving to next important opportunity from the HCL Tech. This is also very big opportunity, and they are hiring for the role of software engineer Java. So key skills requirement is just Java, OOPS, SQL, Hibernate, and REST API. And this is again saying wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Okay, so you should have bachelor degree in computer science or related field, means from the IT background. So just DM her. Okay, I think link is still not working, but we'll share the updated link. Okay, if you still facing issue, just DM them. I think they're gonna provide you the link. Okay, and make sure to apply as soon as possible. That's the thing I want to tell. Next development from the Mastercard. They are hiring for the role of information security operation analyst too, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. So friends, if you haven't applied for the Infosys 8, I will suggest apply for that. Infosys hiring for the 2025, and we have already uploaded detailed video related to that. So Infosys hiring is still going on, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this, because you will not get second chance. Okay, moving to next important opportunity for the role of desktop support specialist Noida. So this is also a support role. So if you are interested in support roles and have some experience in this, then you can apply. So you should have experience with Jira service management and have a knowledge in Windows 11 and Mac OS. So this is a basic requirement for all that stuff. Moving to next important opportunity, that is they are hiring for the role of QA trainee software tester role, and freshers are eligible for this. Job location will be Hyderabad, and 2025 and 2026 both can apply. So don't miss this and apply with updated resume according to this. Okay, just share your resume to this mail ID. Got it. And moving to the last important opportunity, this is a internship program from the NICSI internship program, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Who means the candidates who wanna do some internship with the government institution, then you can go through it. I'll provide apply in the description. So for that, you have to just download the application form and apply with that, and you should have submit your college NOC. Okay, means no objection certificate, then only you eligible for that. So this is the form preference. So just go through complete job link in the description. You will get idea how to apply and all those. But if you need any detailed video, you can comment here. I'm sure to provide you the process. Hope video informative to you. कोई भी query हो feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn or you can ask any question or Insta, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever platform you are comfortable with. So meet you in the next important job update. Thank you.